We're out here at my buddy's scrapyard, if you can't tell. And this is the Dodge truck right here that I'm going to be taking parts off of. This is donor truck for the dump truck. And I messed around. And there we go. Okay. So I'm going to start taking this front wheel off here. And I'll put you guys right here. Hopefully I don't get in my own way. And we can see what's going on here with this truck. Note to self, do not leave metal black sockets sitting in the sun in Tucson, Arizona, because they get hot. Go put these in the truck real quick. I'm gonna probably take all of these wheels. Obviously the tires are no good, but the wheels are good. I might take the control arms and everything too. I hope I don't forget that stuff. I'm going to put it right there. Sweet, huh? That's going to need a wrench. I'll be right back. Hopefully I have a big enough wrench in here. That's this. Yeah. Mm-hmm.